Alright, so let me kind of summarize everything that's going on. Because I've been trying to record everything I do, but sometimes I forget to do like explanation videos or like stuff like that. So, my last video, I did the headliner, and then this video, I did the carpet inserts that go on the kick panels and then on the door. I put those in. Also got my stereo installed with speakers. I put clips in for all that. I also installed this little doorknob. It's the original one. I was gonna replace the other one too, but it turns out that one's already original one. An original one. I don't know if you guys can see. This is an original Ford part, and the one I took off is just a replica, aftermarket. Tell the difference. It's a little bit different. But yeah, this one was broken. I had two that I found, and I replaced one of them. I left the other one because it was already perfectly fine. And yeah, got everything else in. It's looking badass. Here. Right now I'm heading to Audio Cave to get this radio installed. I got it. Pioneer. I'll be installing this Pioneer stereo, because as you can see, this one piece of shit's falling back already. Doesn't work. And then I got these Pioneer speakers because the right one doesn't work, and then the left one's kind of shitty. And yeah, about to go drop it off there, leave it overnight so they work on it, and then oh my goodness, woman, Jesus, here, I'm outside. Where's she at? Not here. Safety first.
One eternity later.
Can you drive?
What?
Can you drive?
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
It's okay. Damn, baby,
I'm
shit's
telling
on
you.
dry.
I'm telling you. That's why I need to put at least
How the
fucking
fuck
$10.
did you park her? Record my baby.
I am.
Tomorrow I have to pick it up at 5.
Manuel Juárez, arrendando sus caballos, cuidando sus propiedades, trabajando bien sus tierras. Vive en casa de Rubén, pero bien enamorado. La feria del cuarto viernes se mueve, se celebra.
¿Tienes el center?
Yeah. Ese es el center. Hace mucha diferencia. Because that's a bypass. Pero they got it like for 60 or 80. So there's the, mi hermano. Oh, that's one I went.
And picked up a 302 5.0 for my truck. I'm gonna build a crate for my engine, and I'm gonna keep it stored in the back because as you can see I'm wearing 2 jackets. It's winter. There's not gonna be any build videos on that until summer, and because there's a lot of kids in my house, I can't just have an engine laying around, so I'm gonna build a crate to keep it protected from the weather and to keep it safe for all the kids in my house. And besides that, as far as the engine, probably not gonna go crazy on it. Maybe throw a cam on it, just do all the gaskets. It was running before it got pulled. The 302 engine, I picked it up from a friend, and it was running when he pulled it, so I could take his word for it. And I'm just gonna basically do all the gaskets on it, maybe throw a cam on it, and paint it, distributor, maybe a new carburetor, most likely a new carburetor, and that'll be it. That's all it needs. So it's not gonna be a full build, but I'm definitely gonna do a build series on it, but that won't be until the summer. As far as the bed liner, I am waiting on my friend to hit me up because they ended up moving shops. So I'm not trying to pressure him. Whenever he has time, he's gonna hit me up. But get the bed liner done. Once I get the bed liner done, once I take it to him, he's gonna do the cutouts for the floor pans, and then he's gonna spray bed liner on it. And once that's done, I can finally put the carpet in it, and the truck's gonna look so much more complete with the carpet in it. That's the only thing that makes it look bad right now. And then the seat, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the seat. I've been holding off on that because I don't know what to choose. I don't know if you guys want to let me know. Should I go red or should I go black? If I go black, it's gonna match the headliner, and I think it'll look good. If I go red, it's gonna look sexy. But I don't know. I feel like red's a little bit too much. But I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know. Black or red, let me know. Make sure you guys let me know. And yeah, that's pretty much it.